Video was 3 minutes, guys. Sorry about that. But today, again, this is going to be a part 2 of it, where I ended off with the food coloring. So I was thinking about doing this Baker's Rose. I think nope, the lid is not open. It's brand new. I'm thinking about how to open this. Okay, I got it open. So now I'm going to squirt it out. That looks gross. That does not look pink. It says it's Baker's Rose. So, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Okay, let's mix it in. Oh, it's turning pink. Okay. This is really pretty, actually. Look at that. That is so pretty. So, I think, since I said I didn't know what I'm going to do, I think my goal is to, make it, before I start activating, let me roll my sleeves. I think my goal is to make it like a Valentine's Day slime. So, next thing, I don't know what I'm going to do. So, to make it more glossy, I thought that I would put a little bit of clear glue in. That's so satisfying. Stop pouring. I'm just going to do it like that. Good enough. Okay, I'm going to mix it in. Look at that. It already looks really glossy for some reason, or like milky. So the next thing I found, which I thought was so cute, are these little heart glitters that I'm gonna put in. Since it's like gonna be Valentine's Day themed. It's not coming out too well. Alright, we're gonna start with that much and see how it works. Whoa, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh, now it looks like little chunks of things. It needs more. It's gonna turn into like a crunchy slime. I think I'm gonna put the rest in actually, guys. I know it seemed like a lot, but it's not a lot compared to this slime. I'm trying to scrape it off the sides, oh, I almost spilled it. Now it looks like that is, I have such regret in this. Now it just looks like Valentine's Day barf. Okay. Anyways, I think it is actually time to activate. So, I have my activator. Here it is. It's really big. And super heavy. You know what? Maybe I should just use the one that has a ton of slime on it already. Even though there's the same size. I think. Actually, guys, before I activate it, I don't have baking soda, but I think I'm going to actually put in a little bit of cornstarch. Oh my gosh, guys, it's just sinking. I love the feeling of cornstarch. It's like so powdery, but then it like just falls apart. There's that. Okay, now I'm going to mix it in. It looks really bright from my ring light thing. I don't want to get it on the sides or anything because this is really filled up. I'm clumpy. Did I just fail, guys? Okay, I'll see you in a second once I get this mixed. Okay, my language is so bad today. This mess cleaned up and mixed up. Okay, I pretty much got it mixed in now. It's a little clumpy, but it's all good. Okay, now it's actually time to activate. That scared me so bad. The light just blew out. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it back again. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of activator to start with. This slime is going to be really big, actually. I shouldn't have put that. I shouldn't have put the cornstarch in. I'm trying to mix it up. Put a little bit more in. Okay guys, I have learned the hard way the consequences of overactivating it. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to go with my hands. It's not even ready yet, but I'm going to go with my hands. This looks so gross. Guys. This is a mess. Okay. Put a little more in. I'm gonna keep it on this side actually. Look at this mess of cornstarch. Oh no, that was my finger to pause the video. Okay, never mind. This looks nasty. No, it's all good. I'm working on it. This is not working out well. I'll be right back. Okay, I actually got that part off my hand, but now I have to go in with my hands once more. Oh, this is the... This is sad, guys. Why did I go in with my hands so early? Hey guys, my slime, my new and improved Piper Original. We're getting there. Slowly. Okay guys. I don't know how it's working out. I think it's working. Are you taking pictures of the aftermath? Oh, you're sending it. Sorry. Our house leaked water a little bit. My dad called. I think it's getting there. It's still getting sticky. It's not. Okay, let me take it out of the bowl actually because it's not turning as planned. I don't know if it's going to be a fail though. This might not. It's getting there. Except I just have a lot of stuff in the bowl to take out after. I still need to knead it like a lot. The sad thing is it's really sticky. There's like strings. Okay. The sad thing is it's really sticky. But it's kind of hard too at the same time. It's getting there. my Valentine's Day slime. It actually, I think the clear glue did this, the clear glue and the shaving cream, but it's just the looks, but it looks like butter slime actually, for some reason. The only thing I have is Mono Magic, and it doesn't work as good because, the only reason why it doesn't work as good is because it makes it hard, because Mono Magic is really hard. So that's why I prefer Daiso Clay. But I haven't even used it before, but I've seen people use it. And it looks like it works really well. And it blends in a lot better, and it's not hard. Okay, I think I'm actually done, guys. So here, oh great. Okay guys, so this is the final product. I love it so much. I love the texture. It's really fluffy, and it has pink glitter, red. It's pink with red, pink fluffy slime, Valentine's Day slime with red glitter hearts in it, which I think is so cute. Yay! It's getting there. Now the glitters are coming out everywhere. Okay, so here it is. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So, and if you did all those things, make sure to comment down below, Piper Squad, if you did that, and maybe you'll get a shout out in my next video. Bye!